Eventually, my box had been found. Well, hello. Mr. Fantastic. What do you think I'm silly, buddy? But you can call it late. Why did call her out? I want that. So, what do you want to do? Hey, let's get down to business. Hey, take your time. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? You're killing me! Do you know anyone famous? Be careful, it's quite an old box. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Whoa! Never sleep again. Have you been to the moon? No. Mama! Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. You got anything I could read for a few minutes? I'm melting! I'm in a... Choose something else. No, not that. Mateshka. No. I'm a pirate. Arr, just kidding. I wish it would last forever.
Boring. Just call me Indiana. Dun, 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 dun. It's a never-ending story. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that'll work, that'll work. No, not that. Doink! Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. Oh! Buddy's angry! Excuse me. That's not good. You know of any puppet modeling agencies? Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? I'm a pacifist! Time out! I know a psychologist! Hey, get me all drunken! No. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Mind if I catch a nap here? I'm not happy that way. You might want to put that back. I live in a box. Care to dance? I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. I live in a box.